When it comes to investing, Groundfloor Finance has been making waves, but is it the right platform for you? If you're looking to dive into real estate investing or diversify your portfolio, Groundfloor offers some unique features that set it apart from traditional investment opportunities. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before buying into Groundfloor Finance Inc. First off, one of the standout features of Groundfloor is the ability to directly invest in real estate debt. While other platforms might focus on equity investments, Groundfloor focuses on loans, meaning you're funding real estate projects without taking on the risk of owning property. Unlike other crowdfunding platforms, which may require substantial capital to get started, Groundfloor offers low minimum investments, as little as $10 in some cases, making it more accessible for new investors. Next thing to know is their track record. Groundfloor claims to have funded millions of dollars in real estate projects and boasts an impressive average annual return for investors. However, it's important to note that, like any investment platform, past performance is not always an indicator of future results. While their model appears solid, there's always the risk that some projects won't pan out. Compared to some competitors, like Fundrise, which also offers real estate investing, Groundfloor's focus on debt rather than equity means you're less likely to see the big returns equity investors might, but the trade-off is typically less risk. The third thing you need to know is the transparency of the platform. Groundfloor makes it easy for investors to track their investments through a user-friendly dashboard. The platform is upfront about the risks involved, giving you clear insights into each project, including loan details, interest rates, and expected timelines for returns. This kind of transparency is often lacking in other investment opportunities, where you might feel like you're in the dark. The fourth thing is the flexibility in terms of the types of projects Groundfloor funds. Whether it's residential homes or commercial spaces, the platform covers a wide array of real estate sectors. This variety allows investors to diversify their portfolios in ways that other platforms might not. However, it's important to note that not every project will have the same level of success, and the project details should be reviewed thoroughly before making any investments. Next, you should understand Groundfloor's investor protections. In the event a project fails, Groundfloor aims to protect your investment through its loan structure, meaning the property itself acts as collateral. While this adds a layer of protection, it doesn't eliminate the possibility of losing money. This contrasts with other platforms, like Realty Mogul, which offers equity deals, where you may have more exposure to market fluctuations. The sixth thing to note is the fees associated with Groundfloor Finance Inc. While their fees are relatively low compared to traditional brokerage accounts, it's crucial to understand exactly what you're being charged for. Groundfloor's fees mainly apply when you decide to exit an investment early or during account maintenance. It's not as fee-heavy as some other platforms, but it's worth keeping in mind that early withdrawals could cost you. And lastly, when it comes to getting started, Groundfloor offers a very competitive entry point. You can begin investing with minimal capital, and they often have promotions offering free trials or additional benefits when you sign up through their site. If you're looking for a platform that gets you started quickly with real estate investing without the need for large capital, Groundfloor might be your best bet, especially compared to other platforms like Fundrise or Peer Street, which might require higher minimum investments or more complex entry processes. If you want to test out Groundfloor Finance Inc., the best offer for the platform is waiting for you through the first link below. Sign up now to get the best deal on their free trial and unlock some exclusive benefits. Just remember that, while it's a unique platform with some great features, real estate investing always comes with its risks. Make sure you're comfortable with them before diving in.